Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SCK. Alright you guys, the tomato plants and my pepper plants are all sewed up. We got Mr. Strippy, we got the Better Bush, we got the German Pink, the Mortgage Lifter, and we got the Better Bush. I think I'm missing the tag on the other one. And we have the Marion. And you guys, I did put 2 in each pot. So right now I have 10 tomato plants. And over here is the Ruggers and the Brandywine. Now, I know I have to get more tomatoes. So definitely got to get my Romas. I don't know why I didn't pick up Romas. So this is what my tomato collection is looking like. And y'all already know I used to have the blue buckets over here. Took those out and I decided to bring the grow bags over here and give the tomatoes a go in the grow bags. So these should be easy to trellis up and to kind of like stake them. My plan is to come in here and put some type of rope on here, some jute or something. But if I don't get to that part of trellising, it'll be okay. I still can maneuver the tomato plants within the trellis. So this is what the tomato section is looking like. And over here I sold my variety of eggplants, which I only got 4 plants. It's the Black Beauty, it's the Gretel, which is the white one, and then over here is the classic. That's the classic. This is the Gretel, and I believe the Gretel and my other purple one is in there, and I believe this one is the Black Beauty. So they actually are taking off pretty good. Usually the eggplant goes through this transplant shock phase. I noticed that with eggplants, but these are really bouncing back really well. They didn't really go through a lot of shock, and but I did give them fish emulsion right after I planted them, as well as my tomato plants. So once I got all of these planted up, I definitely gave them a good drink of water and some fish emulsion. So all of them is pretty much adjusting really well. So hopefully these will do well. We'll see, you guys. All right, let's get out here and check the pepper plants. Right now I have a variety of 10, and I know I have probably 2 of the jalapenos out here, and these did really well. I did pinch some of them. I took off some of the peppers that are trying to form because I want them to develop that strong root. And right now these are looking good as well. I'm thinking that a deer or a rabbit got in here, because I could have sworn I had one right in this area right here, and I could be wrong, but I swear I had one right here. But right now it's just 10 of them, and my plan is to definitely put some more peppers out here in the other raised bed, and I'm going to get to that. So I just have to get some more transplants. And y'all know usually I have peppers in my wagon too. So, but I was undecided if I want to give strawberries a go again, so I didn't mess with my wagon. So my wagon is definitely ready for something to get planted in them. So let's see, we got the Italian roaster.